sound we're hearing right now. Watch the top of the hill. I think we're having a flash flood. You're sitting on the left side of the tram, left side, take cover. Keep those cameras covered along with what's flash there. Well, speaking of water, thousands of gallons were just dumped from big tanks at the top of the hill. Back up, all recycled, right into the drinking fountains. I just want to see if you're paying attention. No, it's not all the drinking fountains, but it is all recycled. We call this part of our backlog Old Mexico, used extensively in the film Three Amigos of Martin Short, Chevy Chase, and Steve Martin. Seen more recently in